Stop. If you're paying for AI APIs right now, you're wasting money. Because today, I'm about to show you how to get a free API key for GLM 5.1. And yes, it's actually unlimited. This is the same level of AI power people are paying hundreds of dollars for. And most developers have no idea this even exists yet. Sounds fake? I thought the same, but I tested it. And it works. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to get the API key step by step, how to start using it instantly. So don't skip, because by the end of this video, you'll have your own free AI API running. All right, let's get this set up right now. Step 1, create your free account. Open the link in the description below. It's going to bring you straight to the GLM platform. Now hit that sign in option. Scroll down just a little bit and click Sign Up. You'll see multiple sign up options right there. Google, email, whatever works for you. I'm going with Google, fastest way to get in. Step 2, get your API key. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. And right here you can see GLM 5.1 ready to go. Now before we move forward, one thing you need to know. This free account gives you one API key. Just one. So pay close attention and follow every step carefully. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this API inside VS Code with the Cline extension. So go ahead and open VS Code, any project is fine. Head over to the Extensions tab, type Cline in the search bar, and install the Cline extension that shows up. Done. Step 3, connect GLM 5.1 to Cline. Cline setup is straightforward. You'll get it in one shot. When you open Cline for the first time, you'll see a settings page. Here's exactly what to do. First, under API Provider, select OpenAI Compatible. That's the one. Now it's going to ask for a base URL. To get that, jump back to your GLM API page and copy the URL right there. Come back to VS Code and paste it into the base URL field. Next, go back to your API page one more time and click Create Token. Give it any name you want, hit Enter. A pop-up will appear with your API key. Copy that key immediately. Come back to VS Code and paste it into the OpenAI Compatible API key field. Almost done. Go back to the API page one last time, copy the model name listed there. Paste it into the Model ID field in VS Code. Now hit Done at the top. And just like that, GLM 5.1 is fully connected. Setup complete. Step 4. Watch what this thing can do. Let me show you something insane real quick. I gave GLM 5.1 one simple prompt and look at the response. It came back fast, really fast. Now look at this. It generated a fully working website. Every element aligned, fully functional, clean design. Yeah, from one prompt. This is a full GLM 5.1 thinking model, and you just got access to it for free. And that's the complete setup for your free GLM API. Start building, start creating, the tool is yours now. If this helped you out today, drop a like on the video. It genuinely helps. And if you want me to build a full brand website just like this one comment number WebYes below, when this video hits 500 likes, I'll drop a full tutorial on it. Until then, good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.